Alright, so in this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Google Search Console open so you can actually publish your blogs to Google directly instead of having Google waiting for Google 3 to 6 months for them to even realize that you even made a new blog post. So it's really simple, but it does require you to already have your Google Analytics account hooked up to your website. If you don't have that done, unfortunately, I can't make a video for that because every single website builder and designer is a little bit different. If you're having trouble with it, feel free to reach out to me. My email will be in the chat below. Also, find me on Facebook, Ben Weissman. You can ask me to our group. If you go to Going Big in Real Estate Facebook group, I'll put a link to all those things in the video description. So hopefully we can help you out and get that set up as well, Google Analytics. But if you don't have it, unfortunately, this will not work for you. But I do recommend setting up analytics and trying to figure it out. There's many videos probably about your CRM or your website you're building, but I don't know what you're using, so I can't really make a tutorial that will help you specifically. But if you have analytics or you're not sure you have it, you might as well try this anyways. So I'll go through and I'll show you exactly how to do this. So first, we're gonna go to what's called Google Search Console and pull it up. And we're gonna hit start now. It might not gonna log in, but so you won't see this per se, but you're gonna see something like this. The moment you click start, it's gonna go to a page that looks similar to this. It's gonna say domain and URL prefix. We're gonna use the URL prefix version, and guys, it's super basic. All you do is you put your entire domain name. I like to go to your website, so I'll go to realpropertyteam.com and make sure you grab the entire domain, including the HTTPS, everything. So we're gonna copy and make sure there's nothing after .com, no dashes. If there is, backspace them before you put it in here or it will not work. So then we'll come here and you're gonna drop that right in there and we're gonna hit continue. And right there, as you can see, it's ownership verified. As long as you have analytics set up, it is super easy to do, very quick. And now I'll show you how you can actually get a blog post to get put on Google. So watch, we do go to property and now I'm in the property. If I go to any page on here, so let's say I'll go to here and I'm gonna grab, and this is a test page I was making, let's say I'm gonna grab house hunting tips for Cape Elizabeth, right? I'm gonna copy the URL off the top of my domain and I'm gonna put it in this inspect URL and I'm gonna inspect it. And right here, URL is on Google. So let's try to find one that say it's not on Google. Let's go try a really new one that maybe was that an agent created today. And you know what? We'll use this test one that I made. It's just basically a blank page. I'll show an agent. And then watch, I'll put it in here and say the URL is not on Google. This was gonna show up right there. URL is not on Google. And there's a button here that says request indexing. I'm not gonna do it now because I don't want that URL on Google because it's a very basically empty URL. There's nothing on it. And one thing that's really cool about this is, again, within a day or so, you can get your website ranking on Google search engines and results, is what I mean. So you go here and this also gives you issues. So it'll tell you, oh, redirect error. It'll tell you, oh, this page isn't loading fast enough. It gives some points and advice on how to improve your search rankings, and you can view all your organic clicks per month. So as you hear, this is our organic clicks. We give about 400 a month onto our website for free. This is one of the sites we have on here. That's what this one gets, and we have a couple more here. This is the wrong account, but again, guys, this is a really useful tool. And if you're thinking about going the route of using Google and boosting your local presence online, this is a crucial tool. And every blog post you make, you want to come here right after. You can do up to 5 of these a day, right? So after 5, you can't do any more for that day. But if you already have a bunch you need to get indexed, just do 5 a day for a little bit, get caught up. Then every blog post you make, come here, put the blog URL in that search bar, and get your domain name, your blog post on Google the very next day. Hope you guys enjoy this. And as you guys know, if you're interested in partnering with us or want to see what we have to offer, we have every single tool agents need. We teach and we coach agents how to use Google. Follow us on social media. If you go to my way, I'll leave all links down below in the chat to our Facebook group. If you need help, reach out to me. Happy to help, guys. Take care and have a great rest of your day.